Hi everyone, today I want to talk about some common mistake or confusion in chapter 10.2. So please go back to the figures that we have drawn yesterday. Okay, as you can see, there are 4 right angle triangles in 4 quadrants. Okay, so there are 3 things that I want to remind you. The first thing is, when we calculate the hypotenuse, so I will use a green color to highlight it, the hypotenuse in the 4 right angle triangles. The value must be positive. Okay? And then when we want to calculate the horizontal distance for the triangles, we have to consider the x-axis. Okay, so as you can see, for the 2 right angle triangles in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4, the horizontal distance is in the x-axis, positive x-axis. So the value must be positive. While for the 2 right angle triangles in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3, as the length is in the negative x-axis, so it is negative. Okay, so similarly, when we consider the vertical length of the right angle triangles, okay, so this time we have to consider the y-axis. So let's take a look. For quadrant 1, it is positive. And then for quadrant 2, it is also positive. While for quadrant 3 and quadrant 4, it is negative and negative. So that's why when we calculating some values, sometimes we have to reject the positive number. Okay? So finally, for the third thing, I want to remind you is the angle. Okay? So we want to find the sine theta, cosine theta, or a tangent theta, then we have to look at the angles in the triangles in order to find the AOH. Okay, so for these 4 triangles, usually we will consider these 4 angles.